everybody, I've got something really special to share with you. This product's modern minimalist design screams premium quality. Sure, it's truly a cut above. But here's the most amazing part. The price. It's genuinely far more affordable than you'd ever anticipate for such a high-end item. You might even start in disbelief when you see it. Carouselist, whether for your workspace, your living space, or as a thoughtful present, it fits right in. All the full details are in the description below. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you